It is pretty good for that shorter vibrate bridge, you guys. I want you to just watch it again.